Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the bracketed RAW files you want to merge. Select 3 to 7 exposures, typically 1 to 2 EV apart. RAW preserves highlight and shadow detail. Once selected in library or a collection, switch to grid or film strip so you can multi-select them. Make sure you're using Lightroom Classic for the built-in HDR merge. Don't waste time on global settings yet. Focus on picking the correct frames and keeping them together. This is the foundation of a clean HDR merge. You now run the HDR merge. With the bracketed files selected, open Photo Merge HDR or press Ctrl, CMD+H. In the dialog, enable Auto Align to correct handheld shifts and Auto Tone to get a balanced starting point. If there's movement, choose a dig host amount, low, medium, or high, and inspect the preview for ghosts. Once satisfied, press Merge. Lightroom creates a new 16-bit DNG. This preserves dynamic range and keeps you in a non-destructive workflow, so you can refine later in Develop. You finish by developing the newly created DNG. Treat it like a single RAW. Refine exposure, recover highlights, lift shadows, and use local brushes or gradients for targeted control. If you see ghosting or alignment errors, go back and remerge with a different dig host amount or align the originals in a stack before merging. If color or tint shifts occur, verify white balance on the DNG and compare to originals. Then sync the corrections. One key troubleshooting tip: reselect precise source frames and try a different.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.